8. And those look like 2 eggs. Now say you ate those eggs for your cousin Mo. Then tell 6 people. There you have it. I ate 2 eggs for Mo. Tell 6. Works for me. Well, I'm Tom Bodette for Motel 6, and we'll leave the light on for you.
It's Black Friday now, only at Target. This weekend only, save on TVs, electronics, kitchen appliances, and more. Friday through Sunday only, with new deals every week. It's Black Friday now at Target.
Use Chase Freedom at select department stores and get 5% cash back this quarter. So you can give her an even bigger surprise. Activate your 5% cash back at chase.com/freedom. Chase, so you can.
We often have to choose between the beauty products we love and the values we believe in. No more. CoverGirl is now the biggest makeup brand to be Leaping Bunny certified by Cruelty Free International, which means we don't test on animals.
The Dyson Airwrap Styler, invented to wrap and curl hair using air, not extreme heat. The high-speed Dyson motor propels high-pressure airflow, harnessing the Coanda effect to form a range of curls. And with brushes engineered to smooth, shape, and dry different lengths, types, and styles of hair, with no extreme heat.
It's a garden,
It's a kitchen.
it's a place where food has eyes and a face.
Where are its eyes?
It has no eyes.
Ever wonder where the capital A in Chick-fil-A came from? It started with grade A, top quality chicken. But we believed everything, not just the food, should be grade A. A is for all the little things we do to bring you our best every day.
To me, the A in Chick-fil-A is a smile. I want to give the guests a little encouragement, maybe just a little joke that makes them laugh when they come through the drive-thru. We can stay 6 feet apart and have the best air high five.
It's the thirstiest time of the year. I have just one query.
Want a Sprite cranberry?
New York until 9 p.m. At 8:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Fort Lee or over Ridgefield, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near East Tremont and Riverdale around 8:40 p.m. Yonkers and New Rochelle around 8:45 p.m. White Plains and Rye around 8:50 p.m. Port Chester around 8:55 p.m. Greenwich around 9 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.
If you haven't heard about the Big Comfy Couch, you will. Kids love the award-winning series, The Big Comfy Couch from Time Life Kids, and their parents love it too.
Big Comfy Couch is the best show that's on the air right now for children.
The Big Comfy Couch gives your kids a great place to learn and grow.
Lunette and Molly are the favorite characters for my children.
I love Major Bedhead.
Package for Lunette!
I love the Dust Bunny. The Dust Bunny lives under the couch.
It's very cute. Call now and get your first video, honest to goodness, for the special introductory price of just $4.99. That's more than 60% off the regular price. If you like honest to goodness, other videos will arrive. Keep those you want. Cancel anytime.
It's wonderful children's programming.
Time Life Kids guarantees that your child will love the Big Comfy Couch the first time they watch it, or send it back for a complete refund. We'll even pay the postage. So don't wait for them to ask. Treat them to the Big Comfy Couch. Here's how to order.
To order your Big Comfy Couch, call 1-800-592-3388 or send $4.99 plus $3.49 shipping and handling to the address on your screen.
It's Black Friday now, only at Target. This weekend only, save on TVs, electronics, kitchen appliances, and more. Friday through Sunday only. With new deals every week. It's Black Friday now at Target. Billy K.
Here we are, going far to save all that we love. If we give all we've got, we will make it through. Here we are, like a star, shining bright on your world today. Make evil go away. Cold your cold will, we set it all. Cold your cold, be there when you go. Cold your cold, we will stand real tall. Cold your cold, stronger after.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County, New Haven County, Northern Middlesex County, Central Westchester County in southeastern New York, Queens County in southeastern New York, Eastern Putnam County in southeastern New York, Bronx County in southeastern New York, Suffolk County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, Manhattan in southeastern New York, Nassau County in southeastern New York, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Carmel to near Sandy Hook, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Brewster around 8:45 p.m. Danbury and Bethel around 8:50 p.m. Long Beach and Newtown around 8:55 p.m. Freeport and Jones Beach around 9 p.m. Massapequa and Southbury around 9:05 p.m. Waterbury and Lindenhurst around 9:10 p.m. Iceland and Brentwood around 9:15 p.m. Ronkonkoma and Sayville around 9:20 p.m. Patchogue and Holbrook around 9:25 p.m. Shirley and Medford around 9:30 p.m. Manorville and Center Morge is around 9:35 p.m. Calverton around 9:40 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Millie, don't cry. We'll go to the prom, you'll see. As for the news, Jim said it was okay. We have until 9 o'clock.
Oh, it's a waste of time. Better face facts to me. They don't care about us or the newscast. Oh, I hate them, all of them. I hate every single one of them. I hate everybody in the world.
You don't know what you're saying. It's just
Oh, stop it. I'm sick of you too, so just leave me alone.
Hey, it's true, or it could have been a little nicer.
Don't look so gloomy, Ulrich. Is it because of Millie? You could have said yes. You know, me and the prom.
Even if I was your date? Sissy really did come on strong. If meanness is one of the qualities of a beauty queen, she'll...
National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal and outer waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware until 10:45 p.m. At 8:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from the Verrazano Narrows Bridge to 24 nautical miles northwest of Bowie Gili to 17 nautical miles east of Miles River, moving southeast at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Bowie 2FB, Bowie 4FB, Atlantic Highlands, Deepwater Reef, Garden State South Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Miami Light, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Brigantine, Bethany Beach, Ocean Gate, Little Egg Reef, Atlantic City Reef, Great Egg Inlet and Rehoboth Beach.
Billy K. Use Chase Freedom at select department stores and get 5% cash back this quarter. So you can give her an even bigger surprise. Activate your 5% cash back at chase.com/freedom. Chase, so you can.
I just had a dream that I had a big bowl of Oreo O's cereal.
Well, I guess all your dreams are coming true.
Well, not all of them. Oh, there we go.
It's not a dream. It's Oreo O's cereal.
The innovations you love about our front loads are now available in our top loads. Remarkable energy savings, extraordinary capacity. Introducing the no-compromise Kenmore Elite Top Load Washers. Save now at Sears.
I saw several girls raped.
Raped right in front of my eyes.
Then they burned them to death.
They killed my sons.
Then my husband.
And my brother.
The government just wants us to disappear.
The rest of the world isn't doing anything.
Isn't doing anything.
Anything.
In Peabody, Massachusetts, a mom settles her daughter's nerves before her regional dance finals. In Searcy, Arkansas, a young man says "I love you" for the first time, but his girlfriend doesn't quite hear. A little later on in Duarte, California, a woman picks up Sonic to celebrate 1 full year without getting a parking ticket. In Franklin, Tennessee, a boy encounters his first pickle. And in Kyle, Texas, after a mission for tots, cousins realize they're a long way from Kyle, Texas. One day, many people, millions of orders. This is Howie Sonic.
So last year we were invited to Thanksgiving at the Andersons. I was stoked. That's my holiday. We invented it. So I'm like, pass the stuffing. And it's not stovetop. And I'm like, what? I wait all year. 364 days to enjoy delicious stovetop stuffing. It's what makes Thanksgiving Thanksgiving. I had to get out of there. I faked an attack of scurvy. Scurvy. Works every time.
New Icebreakers Frost. A great tasting mint core frosted in powerful cooling crystals. New Icebreakers Frost. Feel the frost.
You lived here once. It was the happiest you'd ever been. It was rhyme time all the time, and you were feeling fine. Then you moved on. You had to, but you can always come back. This time with someone smaller. Guess we're going flying. Because here, we can all be kids. And if you don't remember how, don't worry. Everything's exactly how you left it.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 10:30 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rocky Point to Robert Moses State Park, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wading River and Calverton around 9:45 p.m. Matic and Mastic Beach around 10 p.m. Southold and Peconic around 10:05 p.m. Sag Harbor and Noack around 10:10 p.m. Plum Island around 10:20 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Want a Sprite cranberry?
The answer is clear. It's the thirstiest time of the year. Sprite, let's go.
Now here you go again. You say you want your freedom. It's only right that you should play the way you feel it.
It's tough to put a price on a child's happiness. It's easy to put a price on a parent's happiness. Arby's $1 kids meals with the purchase of a regular priced meal. Arby's, we have the meat.
Gifts for elves, check. Now just in a dang coupon code.
Hold your reindeer, Santa.
Samuel, what's up?
I got a gift for you. Capital One Shopping instantly searches for available coupon codes and automatically applies them. Just download it to your computer. It's free.
Whoa.
Oh, I have that saved me a bundle.
You have that?
Mm-hmm.
What? So, that get me off your naughty list?
Are you off the naughty words?
Yes.
Oh, I don't think so.
Capital One Shopping. It's kind of genius. What's in your wallet?
Dyson Airwrap Styler, invented to wrap and curl hair using air, not extreme heat. The high-speed Dyson motor propels high-pressure airflow, harnessing the Coanda effect to form a range of curls. And with brushes engineered to smooth, shape, and dry different lengths, types, and styles of hair, with no extreme heat.
CoverGirl is now the biggest makeup brand to be Leaping Bunny certified by Cruelty Free International, which means we don't test on animals.
When pets were given the choice between paying more with cable TV or paying less for their favorite channels with Sling, the results? Well, there were no results. Because they're animals. They don't have a concept of money. You're not an animal. Make the smart choice and switch to Sling. Get the best of cable for the best price. Get started in 5 minutes at sling.com.
We should never lose our ability to feel. Because the more you feel, the more you live, the more colorful life becomes. Feeling is the shortcut to connection and comfort. It brings us together. A single touch reveals the delicate details, changes perspective, and gives a moment weight. When you've exhausted your other senses, it's feeling that has the final say. The more you feel, the more you live a colorful life. Hudson's Bay. Live a colorful life.
With this seal, this restaurant is committing to higher levels of cleanliness. The expertise that helps keep hospitals clean is helping keep businesses clean too. Look for the Ecolab Science Certified seal.
We made an oven so advanced, the only way to improve on it was to add another one. Simultaneous baking, rapid true convection technology, the revolutionary Kenmore Elite Double Oven. That's genius.
Rated E for everyone.
Verizon knows how to build unlimited right. Start with America's most awarded network. Give people more plans to mix and match at a price built for everyone. With $700 off our best phones when you switch. Because everyone deserves the best. This is unlimited built right.
It's Black Friday now, only at Target. This weekend only, save on TVs, electronics, kitchen appliances, and more. Friday through Sunday only. With new deals every week. It's Black Friday now at Target.
Billy.